Hello, welcome back to my next accounting class. Before I start this video and you watch, give a thumbs up, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now, today's class topic is basic accounting terms. Basic accounting terms, these are those terms without which accounting cannot be possible. Or we can say that these are those terms which are used to prepare the accounts. For example, expenses. What are the expenses? Assets. What are the assets? Liabilities. What are the liabilities? These all are the accounting terms which are used to prepare the accounts. Now, first accounting term is business transaction. Business transaction means those transactions or business activities, business events which are in financial in nature, which are economic in nature, called business transaction. These can be measured in the terms of money, you can say. For example, if you are purchasing goods, selling goods, paying wages, paying salary, etc. These all are the business activities, and these business activities which can be measured in the terms of money are called business transactions. Now we are going to learn the characteristics of business transactions. First characteristic, that is concerned with the money. Only those business activities are called business transactions which are concerned to the money, or we can say which are in economic nature, which are in financial in nature, or which can be measured in the terms of money. Next characteristic of the business transaction is transfer of exchange of goods and services. Either we are purchasing the goods or we are selling the goods on cash basis or credit basis, called business transaction. And services, many times we generate the service and we sell them. This is also business transaction. When we are generating the service and we are selling the service, we have some receipts, and these receipts is called revenues. It is a source of income for us. But many times we have to take the services from others. For example, labor, management, etc. When we are taking services from others or we are getting the services outsourced, we have to pay something. These all are called the expenses. Next, a change in the financial position. Whenever a business transaction occur, there may be the receipt which will result in the increase in the cash, means increase in the asset, or cash will decrease, means decrease in the asset, or the liabilities will increase. If we are purchasing the goods on credit basis, if we are not paying the expenses at this very moment, suddenly it will increase the liability. We can say it increases the financial position. Either there will be profit or there will be loss also, which will increase or which will make a change in the financial position. Next, accounting equation. On the basis of this, we can say that a business transaction will lead to the result in accounting equation. What is accounting equation? We have already discussed you that external liability external liabilities plus capital equal to total assets. This is called accounting equation. Means every business transaction will make an effect on this accounting equation. In chapter number 6, you will learn in detail. For example, if we are paying the salary, the cash will decrease, that is asset, as well as the capital will also decrease because of the expense. Next, dual aspect or side. Every transaction has at least twofold or two accounts. One account is debited, another account is credited. Now dear students, now we are talking about the business transactions. Some business transactions are internal transactions, some are external transactions. Internal transactions within the organization. For example, आपने डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज किया अपनी एसेट पर, आपने प्रोविजन तैयार किया, ये इंटरनल है. एक्सटर्नल ट्रांजेक्शंस मींस आउटसाइड पार्टीज, जैसे आपने किसी से परचेज कर लिया, किसी को सेल कर दिया, दैट इज द एक्सटर्नल. अनदर क्रेडिट बेसिस एंड कैश बेसिस. हम दीज आर द कैटेगराइज, हम कैटेगराइज कर रहे हैं बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शंस को, इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल. इंटरनल विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक्सटर्नल बियॉन्ड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दूसरा कैश बेसिस एंड क्रेडिट बेसिस. कैश बेसिस ट्रांजेक्शंस आर दोस ट्रांजेक्शंस इन विच कैश टेक्स प्लेस, कैश आ रहा है या जा रहा है. और क्रेडिट बेसिस ट्रांजैक्शंस जो हमने उधार माल बेच दिया या उधार खरीद दिया, ये कहलाती हैं क्रेडिट बेसिस ट्रांजैक्शंस. आई होप दैट दिस टॉपिक यू हैव गॉट इन बेस्ट वे. थैंक यू.